Hello everyone, this is Shubhru here. Thank you for tuning in. Recently, my microwave stopped working. If you are curious to know how I fixed that, then you are in the right place. I recommend hiring the professionals for all your electrical equipment fixing, and this video is only for the educational purpose. So let's jump into it. When I press start, only lights in the microwave turn on and timer counting down, but there is no heat. So I unplug and let it sit for a week for capacitor to discharge fully to reduce electrical shock. Then I disassembled carefully. There were safety door interlock switch which prevents to turn on the heat if door is not closed. As I use my microwave every single day, one of the safety switch spring return does not work anymore. So I removed that switch and ordered the same switch from eBay, which cost me about $8. I had to wait for a few days to part to arrive. When I received the correct part, then I replaced it. And since then it's working as normal. Thank you for watching this video.